Hello, my name is Christopher Previtt, an Associate Professor here at Franklin P.S. University, and today I would like to introduce you to our Digital Media Design program. Digital Media Design is a creative and technical program of study that centers around the World Wide Web, an innovative, inspiring, and ever-evolving invention which is at the heart of the current communication revolution. Despite the web's almost ubiquitous nature, it is really quite a young invention. Invented in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee, a British engineer and computer scientist, Lee's original intent was to simply share work he was doing with colleagues around the world. Employed at CERN in Switzerland and teaching at both the University of Oxford in England and MIT in Cambridge, Massachusetts, Lee was involved in a number of academic and research projects, and there was simply no easy way for him to share large amounts of work with his colleagues and students, so he invented it. Later in 1991, Tim Berners-Lee and CERN made the web available to the entire world for free. Lee's vision for the web was for it to be a place for free communication, collaboration, thoughtfulness, and innovation. Students of digital media design learn to create, edit, and manage professional written, audio, and visual content for the web. Similar to television, the web is a content delivery platform. Invented in the 1920s, television did not become popular until the 1950s. It took 30 years for it to reach its full potential. Similarly, the World Wide Web has been around for approximately 30 years and is just now starting to show us what it can do. The variety and type of content that needs to be created for the web is endless, requiring well-trained professionals to create it. So what type of content are we talking about? Digital media design students learn about storytelling. They learn about narrative structure, how to write copy, how to write articles and reviews, and news updates. Writing is very important to the program. Our students learn about the optimization and creation of audio content, from podcasts to music creation to voice recording to audio editing. Finally, digital media design students learn all about visual content. They learn to create it and edit it, from creating websites from scratch to mobile design to app design. Students also learn about data visualization, image creation, and video editing. Additionally, digital media design students will be able to learn and explore social media marketing, ethics, intellectual property, and media law, and some of the newest technologies available. Ultimately, we prepare our students to take these skills they have learned, go out into the world, and create content that supports journalism, commerce, and society. We encourage our students to be creative, work hard, embrace their strengths, and always look for opportunities to improve as they develop these new and exciting skills. Specific skills that are focused on throughout the entire program include research and documentation, concept development, also known as ideation and brainstorming, project management, writing, proofreading, and editing, audio, video, recording, and editing, visual, web, and mobile design, branding and storytelling skills, as well as search engine optimization, data and analytics, as well as other back-end skills involved in technical web design. We work closely and carefully with our DMD students, keeping class sizes small, fostering a sense of independence, and ensuring that each student learns in a way that is most productive for them. Our students work hard to create engaging, human-centered content that solves visual challenges and communicates clearly and effectively. They conceive, test, design, and build websites and apps that function well and look great. Across a variety of mediums and by employing the most up-to-date technical skills, DMD students become creative, reliable problem solvers. In the end, our goal in the digital media design program is to help our students become skilled professionals who are always curious, happy to learn new things, and be a vibrant part of their community, all while being successful in their field. Thank you for taking the time to be with us here in Digital Media Design. We truly appreciate it and hope to see you soon. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask. We'd love to hear from you.